Hello and welcome to Compiling CS Week 6. This week we are going to be learning about Boolean logic. Boolean logic is a system used in math and computer science where any value is reduced down to either a true or false statement. Particularly in computer science this is important as our computers run on a binary system which can only handle two values, 1 or 0. We can think of true or false as representations for this 1 and 0. We're going to explore a little bit of Boolean logic through this Boolean logic game we have here in Scratch. To play our game, when we click the flag, we will get a random set of numbers and a random operator here. So these operators here are our key player. We have greater than, less than, and equal to. Before we start playing our game, let's talk about what each operator means. The first one we have here on the screen is equals to. What this operator means is our value on the left, our 1 in this case, and is our value on the right the same? So for this example, our logic statement is false. 1 is not equal to 4. This operator is less than. What this operator is describing is our value on the left, our 1 again, less than our operator on the right, our 4. This case is true. 1 is less than 4. And our last operator in the game is greater than. Greater than is asking if our operator on the left, our 1, is greater than our operator on the right, 4. Again, in this case, that would be false. So our only true statement here is that 1 is less than 4. Now that we've reviewed our operators, let's play our game to practice. To play our game, we start out by clicking our green flag, which will give us a random operator and two random values. So in our case, our expression here is 25 is equal to 2. That's false, so we're going to click our false button. And we heard our computer noise, so we know we got it right, and you guys will see down here our amount right has gone up by 1. So when we get one correct, it'll automatically give us a whole new expression. So this one here is 19 is greater than 23. Now that is not true, so we're going to go ahead and click false. And this one's saying 19 equals 7. Now 19 does not equal 7, just so you all can see what happens. We're going to click true, and you'll hear we got that wrong, and our amount right got reset. So the object of this game is to get as many right as you can in a row. When we get it wrong, we get the opportunity to provide the right answer to get us started on the right track. And in this case, moving forward in our game, 16 would be less than 8, so we would press true. Go ahead and play our Boolean logic game and see how many expressions in a row you can get right. Once you get comfortable understanding the Boolean expressions, and you've gotten quite a few in a row right, take a look inside the code in Scratch and see if you can use that amount right variable in a greater than expression set up in our code to widen the range of our random numbers to expand on the project. Thank you for tuning in.